fielders now join the attack. Few changes in the field as they are looking desperately for that wicket. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. Batsman's off the mark with that single. Some fancy footwork there. Pays off with a four. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. With that delivery. Good effort, leaves the ball this time. The umpire signals it as a wide delivery. Shot selection, drives the ball through the offside. A good over for the batting team.
Getting no rewards wherever you scan and pay? Time to switch to Amazon Pay. Get guaranteed rewards daily.
2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They have run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. The batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. That's one more notch on his belt. Good single. Are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. He's taken the safe route on that one. Looks like he will be warned for this delivery. That was just exceeding the acceptable height limits. That's a dot ball to end the over.
Sending money but getting no rewards? Time to switch to Amazon Pay UPI. Get guaranteed rewards daily.
Nicely bowled. Well judged by the batsman at the crease. Saved some important runs for his team. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. Sensational effort in the field there. He makes a perfect throw to return the ball close to the stumps. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. The batsman has found the gap to the fielders on the offside. There, forcing the batsman to defend once again. They get nada. What a way to save the boundary. That was a well-timed dive. 2 more runs added to the total on the last. Ball of the over. Rotation of the upper body there. A textbook square cut. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. He's playing it safe by sticking to just the one. The bowler has completely bamboozled the batsman. Watches the ball so closely and attacks it straight down the ground. Driven over the mid-on region. Couldn't convert it into runs though. The batsman makes contact with nothing but air. It doesn't seem to be timed well. The dry spell ends with that refreshing fall. Played too early, finds the edge of the bat and runs to the boundary. Got him with an easy catch in the end. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. That's 12 left. Better safe than sorry. Played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. Shown his contempt with a ravaging shot, lofted for 4. Six. A great break from the doldrums. Stopping that turf wrecker. 4 runs it is. Shocking impact. What for 6? He's going around the wicket this time. Maybe this will unsettle the striker. That's played so well by the batsman for a huge 6. badly. He's hit it high. He never saw that catch coming. The striker shuffles back to the pavilion. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. That's a fine running between the wickets. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Good batting, well left by the batsman. The batsman opting to play it safe on that one. No runs. A hop, a skip, and the ball whooshes away to leg. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. He's driven it splendidly through the covers. Technology will have to take a call on this one. Too close for human judgment. The cameras have spotted a nick. Waiting on the audio confirmation from Ultra Edge Detect to know for sure. The batsman's regretting it already. Ultra Edge detected. An unfortunate nick and he's gone. Some good bowling there to nab that one. He just has to stick to the basics and play his... Excellent delivery from the bowler, but defended beautifully in the end by the batsman. Change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Pulled at it brilliantly. The stroke connects. Couldn't have added more grace to it. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow through. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. A beautiful delivery and it swings through the line. He goes for the hook shot and times it perfectly. That's brilliant. He plays the straight drive with such perfection. A confident appeal from the bowler, but the umpire isn't convinced. He turns down.
नींद आ रहा है, खत्म करना है इसको, ठीक है।
Now the fielders can stretch their legs and stop those boundaries. The bowling decides to send in a spin right. Tough opposition for the batting side in this. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. Excellent placement by the batsman. Moves quickly to place the ball on the offside. He's playing it safe by sticking to just the one.
बॉलिंग में इसको देते हैं, क्रिस्टल का बच्चा है, मेरा कमेंट्स हो चुका है।
Struck the meatiest bit of willow there. A whale of an onside shot. Great line and length once again. No runs off that one. Cleaving through cover mid-off. A magnificent drive. He watches the ball so closely and attacks it straight down the ground. Well left by the batsman. Economical over comes to an end. Let's see if this last spell is a magical one. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow through. Great coordination between the pair. That's good running. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. An easy signal to shuffle things along. What a block! Amazing speed and reaction time from the fielder. A good shot selection. Drives the ball through the offside. The batsman has found the gap through the fielders on the offside. Looks like he has to make a dive to save his wicket. The ball slams into the stumps, but they've made it in time. No run out here. Two more and he'll retain the strike. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. For a solid defence this time. Well contained. Dot ball to end. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Unbelievable stuff from the field. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. Blinding speed and a quick throw. Now that's a solid defence. That was driven nicely for a boundary. That's a fine running between the wickets. Excellent use of the feet by the batsman. It has been pushed down to the square region. Oh, leap of desperation. Did he make it? Loud shouts from the bowling team, but the umpire Technology will have to take a call on this one. Too close for human judgment. The cameras have spotted a nick. Waiting on the audio confirmation from Ultra Edge Detect to know for sure. The batsman's regretting it already. Ultra Edge detected. An unfortunate nick and he's gone. Some good bowling there to nab that one. He has to stick to his basics and not nuance. There's the light at the end of that long tunnel of singles. A solid four. No need to run for it. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. An amazing effort in the end. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. He's blocked it straight down into the pitch. A good block to a challenging delivery. Taking the safe route on that one. A satisfying end for the bowler as the batsman is nigh. In comes the change of bowling. There's nothing medium about this medium pacer. Flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. He has to run hard on this one to be safe. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. The batsman has driven it to perfection. Trying to play executioner. The umpire steps in as judge and jury. Driven over the mid-on region. Couldn't convert it into runs though. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. Double or nothing. Double it is for the batting. End of over. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the start. Played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. He's almost knocked his block off. A savage bouncer gets a strong warning. A skip and the ball whooshes away to leg.
bowler.
batsman
Bowlers.
might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. The batsman strikes a double on the final delivery. In comes the change of bowling. There's nothing medium about this medium pacer. Clear skies all the way to deep square. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. He jumps back to safety. Was he in time? Easy decision by the umpire. That signaled not out. Two more and he'll retain the strike. The calm before the storm shatters with that massive six. A good over for the batting team. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. He moves like lightning and stops it just in. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow through. A textbook cover drive. Simply gorgeous. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. It's a doozy of a shot. His signature lock. It's long past anything the fielders can do. Into the stands it goes. Six. It's in the air.
Get it!
If that finds a pair of hands, it's 4 runs to end the over. A good over for the batting team. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. He had less than a second to throw himself in front. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. Brilliantly cut through the square. Fielders are making their move in the ground. Gibbons. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. An impressive stint by both batsmen. Gets underneath the ball this time and lofts it for a six off the last ball. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. Catapults it right back to the crease. Good throw. He's driven it splendidly through the covers. That's a well-judged catch by the fielder. Swept across with no mercy. This might be close. The batsman goes for the dive. The bowler goes up with excitement, but no, says the umpire in the end. They'll pick up a cheeky double here. The batsman's off the mark with those runs. Swept away in a frenzy. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. A good shot selection. Drives the ball through the offside. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. That's some sloppy work from the fielding unit. He hits long and hard, down the ground, over the ropes it goes. Some nimble footwork and a dainty flick that races down fine leg. Driven over the mid-on region. Couldn't convert it into runs though. Took the pace off the ball with that brilliantly timed dive. He's maximising that spot of sticky wicket to get loads of reverse swing. A tiny dot ball to in the over. It's the last stand for the bowler as he takes his final shot at the wicket. That's some clever use of the wrist from the batsman. Sensational stuff. Stopped a definite boundary with his fielding effort. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw. Ample rotation of the upper body there. A textbook square cut. A quick shuffle and it's all in the wrists as the ball flies
Oh my god.